Before we get started, I'll give you a moment to try to solve the question on your own. Okay, so this is a straightforward question. We are not going to take a whole lot. However, if you want to jump around the video is divided into chapters and you can always find chapters. If you like this video, please do not forget to press like. So let's get started. The first thing we are given about A and B is they are non-zero. This is extremely important. We are also given 2 points, P and Q, represented by minus A and B or minus B and A, and we are given that they are in the same quadrant of the xy plane. Let's draw the quadrants quickly. So here are the properties that the quadrants follow. The first quadrant has both x and y coordinates as positive. Second quadrant has x negative and y positive, and so on. There is one thing for sure. In any quadrant, if there are 2 points, then their signs for x coordinate and y coordinate will both be same. What does that tell us about the question? We know that minus AB and minus BA are in the same quadrant. This means the x coordinate will have the same sign and the y coordinate will have the same sign. If minus A and minus B have the same sign, this would imply A and B have the same sign. And if B and A have the same sign, this would also imply A and B have the same sign. So we are getting a consistent result whether we take the x coordinate or the y coordinate. And what we know is that A and B have the same sign. In other words, AB is greater than 0 and A and B have the same sign. And to quickly review, the property we are using is that if 2 points are to be in the same quadrant, then the signs of their x coordinate must match and the signs of their y coordinates must match. There is a and here, not a or. So both x coordinate signs and y coordinate signs have to match. If either of them don't, then the points cannot lie on the same quadrant. We are given 2 sentences. In one sentence, we are given by is greater than 0. In other sentence, we are given ax is greater than 0, and this is where a lot of people make a mistake because they assume that they need to know the signs of both x and y. However, there is a possibility by knowing the sign of just one, you can determine if the point is in the same quadrant or not. So by is given to be greater than 0. This simply implies that b and y have the same sign, which means b, y, and a all have the same sign. So if we write the 3 points down, we are given in the first statement that b and a and y all three have the same sign. So it looks like the y-axis is figured out. However, there is no idea about the x part of the xy point, and hence this is insufficient. Wouldn't statement b be insufficient by the same logic? Let's see. We are given ax is greater than 0. This means that a and x have the same sign, and since AB already have the same sign, we know AX, B all have the same sign. The coordinates of P and Q are minus A and minus B, so we know minus A and minus B are the same sign. We also know that minus A and minus B will not be the same sign as X because A and X have the same sign, right? Minus A and minus X would have the same sign, not minus A and X. So we know this is not the same sign as minus A and minus B. So this cannot lie, no matter what the value of y coordinate is, cannot lie in the same quadrant as minus A and minus B. Since we get a unique and sufficient no to the asked question, this one is actually sufficient to answer the question. Hence the answer to this question is B. Statement 2 is sufficient to answer the question. And a lot of people make the mistake of trying to find both the coordinates, and that is the trap that a lot of people fall. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment. Have a great day.